Hi! I just came from work and guys, I'm so excited to share with you my new scents, the Scent Geeks. Alright. Alam nyo, super bango nito. Promise. So, it comes with this box. Ang shala ng box nila, guys. So, this is very elegant. Yung pagka-engrave ng kanilang, ng kanilang brand, ng kanilang name, ang ganda, guys. And also, it comes with this black box. So, together with the bottle. By the way, guys, meron silang 10 ml, 30 ml, may 50 ml, and 100 ml na din sila. So, now, dati na kasi ako nag-try nito and I like it so much. And then, later on, I will tell you bakit ko gusto yung kanilang perfume. Okay, so this is now the new packaging. So, I have here 3 scents. So, in order ko is the Mon Paris. Tama ba? Mon Paris, yes. And also the Peony and Blush Sway. And also this one, the Paradox. Actually, guys, I am so excited with this Paradox. Kasi, masyadong marami akong reviews na naririnig na mabango talaga yung Paradox. Even for the niche one or the original one. Pero, wala pa akong original nito. Except for the Peony and Blush. So, meron ako nito. That's why I know. And, of course, another scent na masyadong mabango daw, is this Mon Paris or the Mon Par. Okay. So, first of all, before nagkaroon na talaga ako ng kanilang perfumes, it's because of their packaging. Okay? Yung packaging kasi nila side kasi sa quality of the scent. Yan, I also tried the Blooming Bouquet, the Tartine. Yan, yun yung mga na-try ko before. So, and also the Baccarat nga pala. Diyos ko, makalimutan ko pa ba si Baccarat yun. So, ang ganda ng performance ng kanilang perfume. And also, this one, this is why what I like about this one is because their packaging, look at that. Tingnan nyo naman yung packaging nila, guys. Ang shala. Pwede pang regalo, pwede sa inyo. Walang magsasabi na hindi kaya yaman sa packaging pa lang. But of course, let's all settle for the scents, of course. And then, isa pa sa gusto ko nito is, aside from their box na color black na, di ba? The perfume gets more or macerated. Alam niyo ba yung macerated? Maceration. Okay. Maceration is the process of parang pinagpapahingan niyo yung mga perfumes niyo para naman mas lumabas yung scent ng perfume. So, it has to be in a dry, cool place. The more na darker yung niyo, yung lalagyan niyo, it helps na ma-macerate yung inyong mga perfume. So, sometimes during the delivery, pag unang amoy niyo yan, hindi niyo talaga ma-appreciate ang kanilang scents. It's because maraming pinagdaanan yung mga perfumes natin. Remember sa delivery, wala naman dyan na. Yes, it's fragile. It has to be protected. Pero maaalok kasi talaga sila. So, that's one thing. That's why I like this one. And then, let's go on with the scents. Okay, let's have first this Paradox kung bakit ako ngayon nag-order ulit. Since ubos na yung mga previews na in-order ko. So, I have to try this Paradox. I had a very high expectation for the Paradox because marami nga akong naririnig ng mga and nababasa mga comments. Mabango daw talaga ito. Kaso lang, for now, hindi ko siya na-appreciate. So, I'm trying to macerate. Next, macerate na naman, guys! So, I'm trying to macerate this perfume and I'm gonna try this. I think I'm gonna give it a try. So, next month. Okay? Kasi according to this, kasi yung bottles nila meron nakalagay dito na MFG. I don't know if this is manufacturing. And meron nakalagay na date. So, this is 2/25/08. So, it's February 8, 2025. So, I think this is a new nagawa. Bagong gawa pa lang siya. So, the more the perfume gets longer na stay in cool place, ayan, maceration, as I've said, paulit-ulit. So, the more na parang naluluto siya, mas maganda. Okay, so, let's give this a try. Kasi mukhang, upon the scent, ko pa siya, naamoy ko pa yung medyo pagka-alcohol niya. Although, this is an oil-based perfume. Pero nandun pa kasi, parang bagong-bago pa. So, I think, pag naluto na to, masyado or matagal-tagal na, lalabas yung bango nito, ma-appreciate ko siya. Actually, appreciated ko to. It's just that, for now, hindi pa ganun. Kasi, hindi pa ganun kaluto. Para sa akin So, I have to, stay this muna for a longer time. Para kasi, ang perfume parang alak, guys. The more na mas the more na mas bumabango, the more na yung lifespan niya mas mahaba, the more na bumabango. Pero may expiration date na sila. Okay? Let's go on with this number 2. Actually, this is my top 2 upon this 3 perfume. So, this is the Peony Blush and Sweet. So, this is inspired from the JM, which is, you know already what JM is. And yes, this is super duper naamoy. Okay? And it lasted for me, sa akin naglalast siya sa skin chemistry ko ng 6 to 8 hours. Minsan nga, kahit hindi ko naamoy, parang naamoy pa siya ng iba. But this one is so good, promise. This is floral. Yes, this is very floral, pero light. Okay, light siya. And, hindi kayo magsisisi. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng projection ng na to, ng Peony and Blush ng Scent Geeks. Hindi kayo talaga magsisisi. It's giving you a real scent of the original. Promise. If it's not, ano naman, mabango siya. Floral, hindi naman siya fruity. As in, more on floral light fresh. Ganun. Ganun siya ka-fresh. Ganun siya ka-girly. Kasi ang bango niya. Promise, ang bango niya. So, this is Peony and Sway Blush. Or Peony Blush and Sway. And for our next, this is now my top one. Unang spray ko pa lang dito. So, let's spray. Kasi ito, hindi ko na-spray yung first and second. Kasi, ito kasi gamit ko ngayon. Kasi, grabe. Look at that. Kita nyo? Amoy garden. Flowery. Fresh. Medyo mas strong siya kay Peony. But this is some kind of flower. Hindi ko alam kung anong flower. Basta, kung hindi describe ko siya, flowery, fresh, ang bango. And, yung ibig sabihin ng matapang, hindi yung masamsam sa amoy ha. As in, basta ganun ko siya i-describe. Super bango. First time ko pa lang itong amoy. First spray pa lang. Upon the delivery, na in love ako dito. Hindi alam niyo yung tipo na pag habang tumatagal, lalo siya nagiging fresh, nagiging floral, napaka-feminine, pero ang atake nito, yayamanin. As in, super duper yayamanin to. Si Mon Par. Pagkakaiba, okay, so kasi sinabi ko pareho silang flowery. So, si Mon Par, flowery, medyo strong ang projection, pero hindi siya masakit sa ilong. This is really, really, really good. This is my top one. Mas maganda nga din siya for evening. Okay, so, si Peony naman, pwede siyang morning and night. Mas light kasi yung freshness nito compared kay Mon Par. But they are also so good! Alam mo yung malabas yung feminine. Pag ito yung mga gamit ko. Pag dito kay si Peony, ang pagka-feminine ko dito, yung tipong patake ng cuteness, pa-cute nila. Pero dito kay Mon Par, para kang, dati kasi nila sinasabi yung mga CEO type, parang kung medyo may position or somewhere you're on the top of the line, parang ganun yung atake nito. Pero ang bango talaga, tingnan nyo, mag-agree ang ating mga butike kung narinig nyo yan. So, that's